students, this is Ekta ma'am welcoming you all to the YouTube channel of your school. Today I'll be telling you how to make a trading account and we will be solving 2-3 illustrations today. In the previous lecture I have given you this question. So let's just start solving this illustration. First we will be writing trading account and then for the year ending which is given in the question, which is 31st December 2009. This is all the format for the trading account. We will be dividing the page into two sides, debit side or the credit side. The first is the opening stock. The amount shown is 40,000. Then the second is purchases. If there is purchase written in the question, then we will be deducting purchase written from the purchases. So purchases is 2 lakh and we will be deducting purchase return, which is 12,000. The deducting items are shown in the bracket and the final amount is shown in this column. Then the next is sales. Sales is shown on the credit side and same as purchases, we deduct sales return from this. Sales is 5 lakhs and we will deduct sales return, which is 20,000 from here. The next is freight and octroi, which are the expenses to freight and octroi. The amount is 6,500. Wages 30,000 to factory lighting, which is 10,800 to coal, gas and water, which is 2,200 to carriage on purchases, which is 8,000 to factory rent, which is 12,000 to import duty, which is 32,000. Now closing stock is given at the end of the question, which will be shown here by closing stock, which is 60,000. Office rent mentioned here is not shown here because it is not given in the trading account. Similarly, carriage on sales is also not shown in this account. Now the amount of the side which is more is shown in the total. This is 5,40,000, which is more than this. We will be writing 5,40,000 on both the sides. And then we will be deducting from 5,40,000, we will be deducting all these items. After deducting, you will be getting gross profit carried down, which is 2,10,500. By this, we can now get the gross profit, which is 2,10,500. This is your answer. Next illustration. This is the question. In this, opening stock, purchases, expenses on purchases, expenses on sales. This item will not be shown in the trading account. Wages, sales and closing stock will be shown in their respective heads. Now, I have prepared the format of the trading account, which is again the debit side and the credit side. In the debit side we use to, and in the credit side as said we use by. We have put opening stock, purchases, expenses on purchases, wages. This gross profit is not given. Sales and closing stock is given. Now we have to calculate COGS, which is cost of goods sold. The formula of COGS is opening stock plus purchases plus expenses on purchases plus wages minus closing stock. After writing this formula, we will be putting the amounts according to their heads, which is 40,000 plus 4,20,000 plus 8,000 plus 30,000 minus 52,000 of the closing stock. We get an amount of 4,46,000, which is our cost of goods sold. Now, how to calculate gross profit through COGS? The formula is sales minus COGS. Sales is given 6 lakh in the question. We will be writing 6 lakh here minus the COGS amount, which is 4,46,000. After solving this, we will get amount of 1,54,000. This will be our gross profit and will be shown here. I hope you all did understand this question. Please practice all the questions which are given at the end of this video. Thank you.